Welcome to the Gardening Life channel. Today, we're delving into the world of essential gardening tools that every gardener must have. So, let's get started. There's something magical about being in a garden, isn't there? The joy of nurturing plants and watching them flourish is a rewarding experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference in creating a thriving and beautiful garden. But to make the most of your gardening journey, you need the right set of tools by your side. Let's begin by introducing the fundamental gardening tools every gardener should have. Trowel. A trowel is like a gardener's best friend. It's a small hand tool with a pointed, scoop-shaped blade, perfect for digging and planting. Whether you're transplanting seedlings or adding new plants to your garden, a trowel is indispensable. Pruning shears. Next up, we have pruning shears, also known as secateurs. These are essential for maintaining the health and shape of your plants. Use them to trim dead or overgrown branches, keeping your garden in tip-top shape. Garden gloves. Never underestimate the power of good garden gloves. They protect your hands from thorns, sharp objects, and prevent blisters during extended gardening sessions. Watering can. To keep your plants well hydrated, a watering can is a must-have tool. Choose one with a detachable spout for easy watering of both small and large plants. Garden fork. A garden fork is excellent for breaking up soil, aerating the ground, and loosening stubborn roots. It's a versatile tool that comes in handy for various gardening tasks. Now that we've introduced the tools, let's dive into their purposes and how to use them effectively. The trowel's pointed end makes it perfect for creating holes in the soil to place your plants. Press down firmly and lift the soil to create enough space for the root ball. Pruning shears. When using pruning shears, make clean cuts close to the branch collar, which promotes healthy growth and healing. Always keep them sharp to ensure precise cuts. Garden gloves. Put on your garden gloves before handling any plants with thorns or rough textures. This protects your hands from scratches and irritation. Watering can. To water your plants effectively, aim the spout near the base of the plants to avoid wetting the foliage excessively. This prevents diseases and encourages strong root growth. Garden fork. When aerating the soil with a garden fork, insert it into the ground and gently rock it back and forth to create air pockets. This allows water, air, and nutrients to reach the roots more effectively. Selecting high-quality gardening tools is essential for long-term enjoyment and success in your gardening journey. Look for durable materials. Opt for tools made from strong, rust-resistant materials like stainless steel. Comfortable grip. Ensure that the handles have a comfortable grip that suits your hand size. Ergonomic handles can reduce strain during extended use. Quality brand. Research trusted brands known for producing reliable gardening tools. Check reviews and customer feedback to make an informed decision. To prolong the life of your gardening tools and keep them in top condition, follow these simple maintenance tips. After each gardening session, clean the tools with water and a brush to remove any soil or plant residue. Store your gardening tools in a dry, covered area, or on a garden tool rack. This protects them from the elements and keeps them organized. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to essential gardening tools. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, having these tools at your disposal will make your gardening journey more enjoyable and fruitful. Until next time, happy gardening!